Did you know you can make your own lotion? Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today we'll whip up some lotion that's in the DIY natural lotion kit and combine soothing lavender with zesty lemon. Perfect for keeping your skin hydrated and happy. Our Lavender Lemon Lotion is not just a treat for your skin, it's also a light, non-greasy formula that's ideal for everyday use. Before we dive into this recipe, I just want you to know we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to make your own natural DIY products. That's why you can get everything you need in our DIY natural lotions kit. You can also grab all the ingredients for this recipe at simplyearth.com. Interestingly, many commercial lotions contain chemicals we don't want on our skin. With this recipe, you can feel good about the lotion that you are using. Introducing our Lavender Lemon Lotion. This handcrafted formula is toxin-free, providing a soothing and nourishing experience for your skin. So let's turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Lavender Lemon Lotion together. From your kit, you will need 1 tablespoon vegetable glycerin. This ingredient will help draw water to your skin and improve its appearance. 1 tablespoon of emulsifying wax. You'll need this ingredient to mix the oils and water for your lotion. Without this ingredient, the oil and water will stay separated and won't combine into a luxurious lotion. 1.5 tablespoons of cetyl alcohol. This will help soften and improve the appearance of skin, support better emulsion in lotion products, and help create a silkier texture. 1/4 cup of sunflower seed oil. It's a lightweight oil that absorbs quickly into the skin. It won't clog pores and make your skin feel greasy and safely dilutes essential oils. 1 teaspoon of GeoGuard ECT preservative. This will help your recipe last a lot longer. If you don't use it, your lotion will last about 2 to 6 weeks if kept in the fridge. With the preservative, your recipe will last up to a year and doesn't need to be kept in the fridge. 75 drops of lemon essential oil. This brightens the skin and reduces the appearance of breakouts. 100 drops of lavender essential oil. This helps soothe the skin. 2 lotion pumps and 2 8-ounce bottles. From your home, you will need ice, 1 3/4 cup of distilled water, which this will help hydrate your skin. And the tools you will need for this are scissors, large bowl, thermometer, and an immersion blender or a similar tool. 2 glass measuring pitchers or jars or double boilers, and 1 large pot. First, use the scissors to trim the straws off the pumps to fit into the 8-ounce bottles, then set aside. Create an ice bath by filling a large bowl with ice, then set aside. Add the distilled water and vegetable glycerin to a glass measuring pitcher or similar heat-proof container. Ensure the container is large enough to fit the oil mixture and the immersion blender. Add the emulsifying wax, cetyl alcohol, and sunflower oil to a separate glass measuring pitcher or similar heat-proof container. Fill the bottom of a large pot with about 2 inches of water. Set both jars from step 1 and step 2 into the pot. Do not pour the mixtures into the pot. Place both jars into the pot to be heated. Use medium-low heat to heat both mixtures until the oil mixture is melted. Remove them from the heat once the oil mixture is melted and both mixtures have a similar temperature of around 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the immersion blender into the water mixture. Turn the blender at a slow speed. While blending, pour the oil mixture into the water mixture. Mix for about 1 minute until combined. Overmixing the lotion can create foam in the lotion. Set the lotion container into the ice bath and stir the mixture by hand. The lotion will be quite thin at first, but will slowly thicken as it cools. Continue to stir by hand until the lotion reaches room temperature. Add the essential oil and GeoGuard preservative to a small bowl and stir to mix. Pour a small amount of the lotion, about 1/4 cup, into the bowl and stir the lotion, preservatives, and essential oils together. Pour the mixture from step 8 into the larger lotion mixture and stir until thoroughly combined. Pour the lotion into the pump bottles and label. The lotion will continue to thicken over 24 hours. Then pump a small amount into your hand. Feel the silky smooth texture and inhale the calming blend. Absolutely divine. If I can create this luxurious lotion, you can too. When you make this recipe, take a photo and share it on social media with hashtag I made this and tag From Simply Earth for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our social media pages. If you like this video, be sure to check out these videos for more natural DIY recipes you'll see on the screen right after this.